At Marine Parts Source, we strive to be your #1 source for marine product information and knowledge. In this video, we will take a look at the components included in the United Ignition Electronic Distributor Kit for GM V8 small and big block engines. This kit is an excellent way to upgrade your engine's ignition system from a point style to an electronic style ignition. The first component is the ignition module. This is a factory Delco ignition module. It is not an aftermarket module. Next is the module's bracket. Also included are various electrical connecting wires to wire up the ignition to the electrical system of the boat. Next are the spark plug wires. This kit includes 8mm gauge wires. Since this is a V8 application, you'll find 8 wires plus the coil wire. Next is the distributor itself. Again, this is a Delco electronic distributor. You can see the electrical connectors there on the front of the distributor. There's also some dielectric grease included for the spark plugs. And finally, and most importantly, is the instructions for the installation of the kit. This is a really handy and important manual that will include all your steps necessary to properly convert your ignition to this electronic ignition system. It also has handy wiring diagrams, everything you need to install this properly. You can purchase this kit along with thousands of repair and maintenance items for your boat on marinepartssource.com. Visit our website or give us a call for more information or for answers to your questions from our knowledgeable and experienced team.